finding vacuum leaks on a Ford be like? God damn. Damn. Homo gonna have to be rebuilt.